So guys, let's understand about cyclic redundancy check. Cyclic redundancy check is one type of error detection mechanism where during the transmission you are going to perform some kind of logical operations on the data, on the actual data, and you are going to transmit the data by appending some additional bits to it. So how we are going to obtain those additional bits, we will see here. For example, consider that my actual data is 11001, which I have to send from my side to the receiver side. Now here we have an additional data, that is divisor. What we are going to do here is we are going to divide the data bits with the divisor. So you can see in this example the divisor value is 101 and data bits are 11001. So when you see this example, I am dividing the data with the divisor. So if you see the calculations, the division operation is meant here like, if we are going to divide the data with the divisor, so you're going to perform XOR operations. So these are XOR operation results. For example, first three digits, there are 110, when you divide that with 101. So we are doing simply XOR operation. So XOR is very easy, calculation where if you find equal digits or equal numbers, the result will be 0. That is, if you find two ones, it will be 0. If you find two zeros, it will be 0. In the rest of the cases, it will be 1. So like how I have derived it here, and finally I received a remainder of 10. So these two extra bits I am going to append with the data during the transmission. So you can see the frame which is finally made down over there, where your actual data, which is 11001, has been appended with two extra bits, which are nothing but the remainder value, which is you have obtained after performing the division operation with the divisor. So that particular data, after embedding with your actual data, we call it as code word. So we are going to transmit this code word to the receiver. So we're not going to send the data bit directly, we're going to append some additional bits with the help of CRC. We're going to obtain them and we're going to add them to the original data and you're sending it. So you're going to obtain a code word, that is data plus the remainder from the CRC. So this is all about your sender side. And coming to identification of the error at the receiving end. If the same data, if you transmit to the receiver side, so let's see you have the same calculation at the receiver end. So now see in this example, receiver has received the data frame which has been arrived from the sender. Now divisor is something which will be known to both the sender and receiver. So receiver will again perform the same division operation on the data received with the same divisor. And I told you that division operation is simply an XOR operation. When you perform the same, if you receive all zeros as a reminder, which means you have no error in the transmission. If you receive or if you are left with any reminder value other than zeros, that means your data became erroneous. This is how you are going to identify the errors with the help of cyclic redundancy check.